So today is a good day, and today I'm starting a new moto vlog after a long time. And this is my new bike. I haven't introduced this bike to you guys yet. I'll introduce later at the meeting point, first meeting point. Yeah, baby, let's go. This is beautiful S1000RR. Ragna, her name is Ragna. Beautiful S1000, red S1000RR. Hey, actually I'm riding after a long time, after 1 month I guess. So today we are going to Cafe on Safan, and this is actually the first ride with TIB. We went to Cafe on Safan, so yeah, super excited. You can see some marathon going on. Swan. So actually they closed this road actually. This is a marathon happening, I guess. I was not doing vlogging for past I think 1.5 years, almost 2 years. So I had a major accident on 2024 Jan, not with this bike. My last bike had a right arm. I had a injury, surgery, and yeah, because of that also I was a little bit demotivated with the motorcycle. But if you know me, I'm a biker. I always love bikes, and I cannot see my life without bikes. So I was looking for some other bikes. So this is one of my dream bike, S1000RR. This is a lot of people's dream bikes, and this was the last bike actually, the red color, racing red color, last one in Thailand, and I bought it, and I just loving it. And left side is Bangkok Park. This is also very famous park, and they build it beautifully, and they also have cycle track. And regarding the cycle, actually I have started cycling past 1.5 months. Actually we also created a new group that is called Thailand International Cyclist, same as like Thailand International Bikers. So we have few people, and we do cycling over Suvarnabhumi Skyline. I had one vlog. You haven't seen that vlog, please do it. This is actually Ashok area. This is Ashok, the heart of the Bangkok. Yeah, you can see the Skytrain lane. Oh, just in time. Yeah, this is the first meeting point. A few of us is already there. Yeah, bro. Hello. Hey. Yep. So we have a lot of beautiful lineup. I can see here. This is Kawasaki Z900RS, beautiful looking green. Kawasaki Z400, Kawasaki ZX10R. This is my beautiful Ragna, and this is amazing S1000RR again. So I'll showcase to you. This is my beautiful, the best looking S1000RR in Bangkok. Yeah, you can see here. This is a beast, man. This is a beast. And this is the beautiful exhaust. So actually I had this bike for almost 6 months. I bought this one at last November, and I already did 6,500. I went to northern Thailand with this. I went to Nan, Khao Kho, Chiang Rai, Phahi. Amazing bike. This is amazing bike, and no issues with super sports. Like a lot of people are fearing about, if you have the super sports you cannot go to long distance. This is not like that, because S1000RR is beautifully made for road, and this one also have the cruise control, and cruise control really helps you, man, really. So I'm just waiting for the other guys to come here, then we can start ride. This 2024, 2024 and 2025. This is the new one, and these have the same exhaust. Full system. This one has the full system. Peter's bike looks beautiful.
Earlier it never fit me.
Kaise hai bhai? Hey Timmy! Hello! How are you?
All good, all good.
I can see a lot of Kawasaki today, and BMW. Oh, there is another Kawasaki. This is another Ninja. You can see here. This one is the beautiful Ducati Street Fighter V4S. Beautiful looking. Hello भाई, आपसे कितने दिन बाद मिल रहे हैं?
Almost. आप भाई साइकिलर हो गए.
Let's go guys. So guys, we have reached here in Cafe on Safan. Beautiful ride today.
It's fella, fucking hell.
Hey man.
Long time.
Hey buddy,
Hey.
fucking hell, catching up with all the old boys today.
CBR 1000RR. This old Repsol. Ducati Ninja. This is beautiful. S1000XR. This one. BMW. This is RR. A lot of beautiful bikes. And this is my Ragna. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, we'll have a good breakfast here. So this is actually Cafe on Safan, and this is pretty popular in Chonburi area and among with the riders, because this is the very straightforward ride, straight road. You are taking this Bangna Trat, Sukumbit, and you can come here. Beautiful. This is on the way to Pattaya actually, so you can go toward this way. It will be Pattaya. I think 1.5 hours. Beautiful place, and you can see here. Oh, it's nice, right? We have three S1000RR. Three have different style of exhaust. Mine have slip-on Acra GP, and these two white, one have the stock exhaust, another have the full system Acra GP. Yeah, these three beautiful. Oh, nice. Red, two white. Beautiful. So now we'll start. This is the stock one.
Stock sound.
2024 model. You need to be in on first gear, then only you can able to rev it up. Otherwise you cannot. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
This is the slip-on with the GP.
S1000 in a nice red color.
So this is actually my bike, and for me slip-on is enough. Beautiful sound, slip-on. This is the full system.
Full system with the appropriate headers and also the appropriate titanium slip-on.
This is too loud for me. This is too loud for me. This is super loud. It's too loud, too loud. And now actually I'm gonna try this Street Fighter V4S, right? Street Fighter V4S. I'll show you the sound. This beautiful Street Fighter V4S. Now I'll start, okay? This is actually stock. This is actually stock exhaust. This stock, right? Yeah, this is actually stock exhaust. So I'm gonna try. Now sound change. This is amazing. It's too aggressive, bro. It's too aggressive. Yeah, it's comfortable, super comfortable.
That's why you go in the city.
Next time you can try the Panigale.
Panigale, I already tried.
You have?
Yeah, I already tried your bike.
What about this?
This is amazing bike, man. I like it. I know, you know, this exhaust is enough. This exhaust is enough.
Yeah, like mine,
Yeah, this is a stock exhaust. This is enough exhaust. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful bike, man. This is beautiful. The engine is amazing. The stock exhaust. You cannot imagine in inline 4 this kind of stock exhaust sound you can get. You cannot. Impossible. Only Ducati can. Ducati stock exhaust is amazing. Yeah. Beautiful. I don't know why the red color on bikes looks super sexy. I love red color, red and black combination on motorcycles or in car in general, but in motorcycle it looks beautiful. The combination is amazing. This is Pranay's Ninja H2. Hello. Swadika. Nice. These two red beauties, see? Beautiful. Bye-bye. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please tap like and subscribe as well. And for this kind of moto content in Bangkok, please do subscribe Capdroid, and a lot of moto and cycle content will come soon. So stay tuned. Bye bye.